but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart.
Yes, so can you be that? I am yellow man, so bad. Not your heart, queen, people, and I say my things out. They said it's only for me, and sing a mere daughter. Long dog was on it, baby, me, and sing a saga. Something I want to make a night at that shit to ya. So the lonely problem, and I had to do me, see my guitar and two the time. I walk on me, on that. What that's on my head, me, and let go straight at that. They lie, build the chest on I am, but see no cat. She had told me, me will use them, yeah. To be no below your lady, I have people sana got an eye. I didn't say any film in my own and I bring I see ya. It's a real name, I think she are a chill to to tell me down to like thing I take at the my with God. To the air to my movie, I am my milk. Deep with my tickets on a media say about shit to ya.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you build a love, but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart.
They lie in that can leak a guy, she goes sweat on la. Yet, the Johnny Piolo, Mega Gago, Boma la. Why such a yellow yarning guy, she go to Pauna. If I said and pay a lot of you don't need a gap here. The child leggy beat on I chico yata la. Maybe go down and I she will dig a chin up ya. Maybe of the Shizuta, they chill a chip to ya. The loading may come in me on it and me alarm ya. Grammy then may a got on lava on my Judia la. Hey, but I so more needed me a boy with them ya. La party may a yoga Mona Lisa show loud a lot. You must have with that and my mileage and all chit. Show you a lack and be with also Jago may you la. The niggas got a cocoa may a ban and now how and I got mango tower chinny on my chits is guy.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you build a love, but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart.
Yeah, this one creation my daughter and Gong Gong. So we get it, okay?